Hey, hello, welcome to Trends and Support. So, the last week we witnessed a very big sell-off. That means not that much of sell-off, but slightly it's not a good. Technically, it's not a good for the markets. And you can see if you are watching the pattern or some other movement from the last week, not last week, last few days. See, Nifty was always trying to bounce back from around 25 800 to 700 range. And see the pattern also, it was always this range will act as a what to call demand zone here. Always once whenever made a here a head and shoulder pattern, still this one was hold and it made a W pattern as well, and again it's made a low here and bounce back. So last video also mentioned that this range, that is 806 range, will be the mostly we can say technically support of the Nifty. This line was the main support of Nifty even, and lot of breakdowns happen. And if you draw a line from here, this was the continuously moving upside, not a continuous moving, but it's a technically we can call a higher low formation. And already I mentioned that we got a breakdown in this what to call rising channel breakdown. Even here also, the previous one also I mentioned rising channel breakdown. So from this range onwards, that is around 26 100 range, this formation was happen, and you can see the downside. But I am not expected that much of fall. This last fall is not a technical fall, it's a news based fall of tariff, and FI is selling continuously. And now let's look for this what to call the upcoming days movement or the recent technical support that is based on the trend line. So as per my view, Nifty is formed like it's not a good formation. And this is like what to call like a big M pattern or something, we can call it as. And we are in a, like a small support here, that is 25 600 range. This is like a previous we got a breakout here. It's like a W pattern here, and inverted head and shoulder is slightly this range, this ways. So that was the breakout range of previous Nifty move. So this line slightly having a small support, that the current scenario, we can't say that it's a strong support. Small support is around the 25 600 range. Once we fell below, I am not good for this. That means I cannot see a good support Nifty nearby. That is technically, as per my trend line view, this was the main support of Nifty, that is 25 800 range. Below that, slightly there is another support. That one also we broken. This was the previous double bottom. Once you can say that double bottom, triple bottom support or something. That one also broken. That is around 25 725 range. This will act as a strong resistance for the intraday basis. If we cross this one, then we can see an upside movement till 25 800 to 810. This range will act as a very strong support in Monday as well. And we can check for the next a few days resistance too. This one also we can check. So the next main resistance will come here around 25 900 range, and above this one is around it coming around sorry, yeah, 45 to 50 range, that is 45 to 50 range. So these are the main resistance for the upside movement of Nifty, and the we all upside movement can happen only once this close or cross above 25 816. So this will act as a very strong resistance. Then people who are trading, you can do a bet on this Nifty shorts, or otherwise Nifty can you can buy a put options here. Once we touch, definitely you will get a decent return here. So, and let's go to check downside supports. So this is 1 hour chart, and even I am saying this reason this is not a good support, because if you check if Nifty bounce cross line here, and if Nifty went up and it fell here, so it took support here, that is not a not on this line actually. So if you shift this line, you can see, so this will act as a support on that time. So still that range is around here, around 25 680 range, 678 range was this what to call that previous cross line support. We close above that one, so that's also a small good sign, but it's not a good sign, but slightly positive. So I'm not expecting this 600 range is a very good support because of that reason. Okay, then so and let's go to check this downside of next moment. So I need to shift it this one from 1 hour to week daily charts, then only we can see in this scenario. So don't mind about this, I will shift these lines to upward, otherwise too much line and you cannot see the chart as well. So I'm minimizing these lines. Okay, here you can see after 25 small support 25 600 range, then major support only coming around here, that is 25 440 444 to 452 range. So this line mostly will act as a small support, and if we are not hold and Monday, and if this one came down here, so most probably we will have a support here, and the formation also I will explain later. So if we not hold this one, then there might be a downside towards 25 316 range, and this can move towards here around 25 20 range, 200 range. So this one Nifty, you can see previous time it was forming like a cup and handle breakout. So this breakout happened, this was the breakout line, sorry, the top one, not this one. So this was the breakout line, Nifty's previous breakout line. So if Nifty came down this way, then this will take a support here, and even you can check the previous flow here. Nifty was forming like an upward movement, it was taking on the support on this line. So if Nifty came down, then it can move towards the downside, that is around here this way. If we are not hold this one 25 200 range, then it can move towards the 25 6 range, 60 range, 25,060 range. Otherwise, if we have any bounce back from here, then there might be, it's like here, then there might be a bounce back towards this range around here. That means from here to here, that it means around 25 670 72 680, otherwise up to here 25 720 range, and a chance of downside movement if this one can move here, and if again we cross this line, that means cross downside this line, then it might be possible to come down this ways. So this support, this line, previous cross line support will come as here. That means the both the line, this line and your previous cross line will meet around 25 155 range. So it might be like a movement up to here, then bounce back, and maybe slightly move here and go, and maybe mostly will move towards 25 150 to 160 range. And if we hold around yesterday's support, then there might be an upward movement, and the resistance I already mentioned. So and we need to move cross above this resistance, then only we can see a resistance around 25 900 25 945 range. Then only we can think about an upside movement. Otherwise we will have a like a bearish trend on this range. All these ranges are like a bearish trend, and this is not a technical fall on the last few days, that 2 3 days. It's not like up to here around up to, I can say that up to here, that is 200 range. So as per technical, this was forming like a flag and pole. Here you can see this sorry, here it's like a flag and pole, and the movement, and we are just near the support now. Not near the support, we are the last support now. So already mentioned the last support here, and the other supports are already mentioned. So these are my views of Nifty in coming for the coming days. You can trade accordingly. Once you break this 25 600, you can take a put options for the lower side supports and for targets. So my view already given, and you can do the trade as per this. So now let's go to check Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty chart, and Bank Nifty is still holding this previous breakout. It was moving like a 6x here, and it got a breakout here. So this line, mostly this range will act as a support in Bank Nifty. And if it's any fall, that is the current support is around 59,115 or 110 range. Then below this one around 58,920 range. So both these lines acting as a support on this one. So that means around 59,920 range. Below this one we have this what to call the previous lower side support. That one is around 58,780 range. So I'm expecting this range will be a demand zone. And even if you look for this what to call the pattern, you may see that V pattern, like any of the bull run, not a bull run, if any spike. So here this one is like a reversal V pattern. So that means the news based falls also same like this V reversal inverted V pattern. Now some of the news based rise also like a V pattern. So this is forming like a V inverted V pattern. So most probably we will have a downside support, or otherwise and downside targets is around 59,770 to 780 range. So the resistance will still be the same, like 59,420. Then it can move towards 59,740 range. So any bounce back this range, and the current support is around 59,110 to 115, and the next support is around 58,920 range, and the next one is around 58,770 to 80 range. So hope you get a good idea about this Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, and I think most probably this falls are not like not as per the technical. It's mostly the news based fall. So the technical supports will not work as much as we expected. So you can do as this technical side for your trade, and keep some stop loss for any buy or any call options. So that's it from my side for this Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for these upcoming days. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.